Welcome to another episode of Word and Makeup. I'm your girl, Goss Beauty. If you're new to this channel, welcome. I would like to encourage you to please subscribe, like, and comment. This is the show where we talk about inspired words from the scriptures and we do makeup. The word for you today is fear. In 2 Timothy 1:7, it says, "For God has not given you the spirit of fear, but of power, of love, and of a sound mind." Today, I would like to share with you 2 ways I believe you can overcome fear that cripples you, fear that limits you from doing great things in life, fear that stops you from fulfilling purpose and reduces your capacity. In the book of 2 Chronicles 20:1, 3, and 4, it came to pass after this also that the children of Moab and the children of Ammon, and with them other beside them the Ammonites, came against Jehoshaphat to battle. And Jehoshaphat feared, and set himself to seek the Lord, and proclaimed a fast throughout all Judah. And Judah gathered themselves together to ask help of the Lord. Even out of all the cities of Judah, they came out to seek the Lord. The 2 things I would like for you to take out from that scripture is 1, to seek the Lord, and to ask for help of the Lord. How do you seek the Lord? You surrender yourself to Him by giving your life to Him completely and allowing Him to lead you. Number 2, ask for help of the Lord. And He's already promised us in 2 Timothy 1:7 that He's going to give us power, love, and a sound mind. So you just need to ask for it. Ask for peace of mind, ask for love, ask for sound mind, ask for all these things in which He's already promised. Has fear stopped you from fulfilling purpose? Do you want to start anything and you're afraid of failure? Fear of continuity? Fear of disappointment? Fear of what people might think? I want to encourage you to seek the Lord and to ask for His help. As He helped Jehoshaphat and the children of Judah, He will also help you, and He will deliver you from the power of fear. Alright, let's get right into the makeup of today. The makeup of today is going to be a smoky eye. As usual, I've already done my foundation to save us some time. I've used these 2 primers and my foundation on top. The next step I'm going to be doing on my brows, I'm going to be using a pomade to make sure I darken it in, and using the concealer to clean it up on the edges, the corners, and using my foundation shade to clean the front, just so it doesn't give a lighter spot in the front. I want the lighter part to be in the back towards this area. I'm using my foundation color to fill in the front, so it doesn't give a too light of a shade in the front. The end part of my brows, I use a lighter concealer, but the front, I use a foundation that's my shade. I'm priming my lids right now with an eye primer. Now I'm going to be creating the background color for the smoky eye. Here are the colors I'm going to be using in the crease area. I'm going to be using this shade right here I'm going to be using, and I'm also going to be using this shade right here to create the in the crease area right here. In this area, that's where I'm going to go ahead and put those colors there in. After we've already added in our crease color, we're going to be adding on the black. This is an Inglet 77, their black liner onto the eyes. Be careful not to pack too much on. Make sure you put it all over the lid. When you're blending out the liner, the black Inglet gel, make sure that you use a black eyeshadow to blend it out, to kind of give it the finished look that I have here. Use it to blend out around the black liner that I've done here. Do you see it? Use to blend it out to give it a nice clean finish. Now go ahead and also line your waterline of your eye with any black pencil that you have. Just go ahead and line it. What I'm going to be doing is to make sure is to pop my lashes on. I've already put the glue on the lash. I'm just waiting for it to get tacky before I pop them on. While I'm gonna wait, I'm going to go ahead and put up my mascara on. If you're not if you don't like to wear lashes, you can just go just like this and it looks beautiful. But I'm a lash kind of girl, so I'm going to go ahead and put it on now. The next thing we're going to be doing is to use the concealer to cover up the black spots underneath my eye and to create a nice highlighted look. I'm going to be using a damp beauty blender to blend it out. I'll be contouring my nose with this. I'm going to be using a darker powder to contour around my forehead, so that the focus of everything can be in the center of my face. So if you have a darker, like a shade or 2 shades darker of a powder, then you can use it to also just contour around the edges of your head like this, as I'm doing here. And also right here, contour your mouth area. This is a powder, a translucent powder, medium deep for me. Just find your shade, 1 shade lighter than your regular powder shade, and go ahead and dust it off and put it right underneath your eyes where you put the concealer. Underneath the eye where you put the concealer, just go ahead and put it on. Right there, and right there. The next part is to add on the blush, any color of the blush that you choose. I'm going to be using this particular one right here. Just packing it on right there. Raisin would be a good color for you to use. Here's a blush by MAC. I believe that's actually raisin that I just did by brushing. It's coming together beautifully. I'm gonna be spraying my face with to bring my whole makeup together, and highlighting. With the smoky, because the eye's already smoky and very bold, we're going to be doing the nude lips today. So I recommend any nude lipstick that you have with a brown pencil and a lip gloss to top it. Thank you for watching today's episode of Word and Makeup. I hope you were blessed by the word, and I hope you love the makeup. Please, if you have not, please kindly subscribe to this channel, like this video, and share your comments. I love to read them. Thank you, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.